Welcome to our croissant baking tutorial. Today we're embarking on a delightful journey to master the art of making perfect croissants right at home. Imagine the aroma of fresh croissants filling your kitchen as we guide you step by step. First, let's gather our ingredients: flour, yeast, butter, sugar, salt, and milk. These simple components, when combined with care, will lead to a pastry masterpiece. So grab your apron and let's dive into the world of croissant baking together. Ready to get started? Let's make those layers flaky and delicious. Now let's dive into the heart of our croissant journey, preparing and kneading the dough. Start by mixing flour and yeast, combining them gently. Slowly add water and a pinch of salt, stirring until the mixture comes together. Knead the dough steadily, ensuring it becomes smooth and elastic. This sets the foundation for those flaky layers we all crave. Pay close attention to the dough's feel. Soft, yet firm enough to hold its shape. Avoid overworking it, as this can lead to tough pastries. Patience is key. Let the dough rest and rise, allowing the yeast to work its wonders. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating a dough ready to be shaped into delicious croissants. Up next, we'll explore the art of shaping and layering our pastry to perfection. Now that our dough is ready, it's time to shape our croissants. This is where the magic of flaky layers begins. Roll the dough out carefully, ensuring an even thickness. Next, fold in the butter, a crucial step for achieving that perfect buttery texture. Imagine each fold as a step towards those delicate layers we all love. As we repeat the rolling and folding process, the layers build, setting the stage for a truly authentic croissant experience. Now let's focus on shaping. Cut triangles from the dough and gently roll them into that classic crescent shape. Patience and precision are key here. Each croissant should look like a work of art before it even hits the oven. With these techniques, you'll master the art of shaping croissants in no time. Up next, we'll delve into the baking process, where these beautifully crafted pastries will come to life with a golden finish. Let's bring your croissants to life in the oven. First, preheat it to the perfect temperature for an even bake. As they rise, keep a watchful eye for that sought-after golden brown finish. Here's a tip: rotate your tray halfway through for consistent coloring. Once the aroma fills the air, it's time for the final touches. A gentle glaze will add that irresistible sheen. With these steps, your croissants will not only look exquisite, but taste divine too. This is where the magic happens, transforming simple ingredients into an artisanal delight. Stay with us as we move to the final reveal, where we'll see the culmination of our baking journey. Ready to impress with your creations? Let's continue to the next step and see how they turn out fresh from the oven. And there you have it, perfectly baked croissants, golden and flaky, fresh from your oven. You've just experienced the joy of creating a classic pastry at home. Now it's your turn. Give this recipe a try and share your delicious results. Let's continue this culinary journey together, one delightful recipe at a time. Thank you for baking with us, and until next time, happy baking.